Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a slime slash squishy slash LPS video. I'm going to be showing you all my stuff right here. That's on this corner. And I'm going to be sponsoring my friend Ernesto. He does not have a YouTube channel. I don't know why, but just leave a thumbs up for him. So yeah. So hi Ernesto, if you're watching. Okay. First slime is this birthday cake slime. So I gotta fix the camera. Sorry if the camera falls. Sorry, this lid won't stay. And it's not as stretchy. Not as pilkable. Oh look at this huge bubble. Just kidding, not huge. This one's not really that good, but it's on my Etsy. Just kidding, yeah, it's on my Etsy. And then I have my black slime. I like this slime a lot. It's not as hard, very stretchable. And Nevaeh R gave me this, and I know you know who Nevaeh R is. Nevaeh R is the girl that gave me this gray slime, and then I really didn't like it, so I just colored it black with some paint that I use for my project. But yeah, this is really good. It's good for popping. Okay, let's see. Can't really do it because I have to hold it. Try to flatten it out. Just flatten it out by this. Just push it down. Okay. Now you want to keep poking the seam area to help it go down. I'll put something heavy on it, and then it will work. So yeah, that one's actually really good. I'm glad this fine. Alright. The last slime that I have here is my foam slime. Pull this out. Just to show you a little bit. There we go. Good enough. So yeah, that's good. Now we're gonna move on to my squishies. My first squishy that I have. I only have two squishies, just saying. My first squishy is this cute little bunny. This bunny chow chow animal jam bunny sandwich, cookie sandwich, ice cream sandwich. It's like slime. Just kidding, that's not it, but squish it. This is really cute. I love this squishy. Then there's a stress ball. Has a little happy face on it as well. Not really that squishy. But yeah, we will have to do. Now it's time for the LPS. My first LPS is Lauren. Lauren DIY. I name it by YouTubers. My favorite YouTuber. This is Lauren DIY. Phase rug. Missy from Daily Bumps. Brian from Daily Bumps. I forgot my lead. Oh, hold on. Not this one. Jessie V. And my last one, Liza Koshy. Yeah. And Ernesto, I know you know who Liza Koshy is. But yeah, so that's all of it, and yeah.